Mira package has been sitting on my couch. When I take these out, you know what I'm gonna make. So let's hope this setup serves me good. Welcome back to the channel. If you saw my last vlog, you know that I was taking a slow Sunday reset, and today it's a follow-up on that. We are keeping things going in this one. And if you are new to my vlogs and you're seeing me for the very first time, hi, my name is Tarasha. I live in Gurgaon. I make lots of productivity, lifestyle, daily diaries kind of vlogs. So if that's your jam, definitely consider subscribing. I promise you're gonna love it here. Also, good morning. It is a little over 6 a.m. and I am up early today with the weather finally opening up and the sun starting to rise a little earlier. I thought it's the perfect time to start working on building a 6 a.m. morning routine. So guys, I made myself some black tea. You know I love starting my mornings with some black coffee or black tea. So I'm gonna have it while chatting with you guys. I'm not gonna lie, waking up early has always been a struggle for me, but I am determined to make it work. I really believe that a good morning routine doesn't just start in the morning, it actually begins the night before with how you set up yourself for sleep, what you do to wind down, and how you prepare for the day ahead matters a lot. If I can put in a little bit of time a night before to make my mornings easier, I'll do it. Like, I do not like to scramble in the morning. It just puts me off in a very weird mood, and that continues throughout the day. So I constantly try to discipline myself with certain things the night before. Just simple things like tidying up my kitchen, my living room, so that I wake up to a clean space, and then deciding what I'll wear the next day. Also, at the end of the day, I jot down certain things that I need to take care of tomorrow. So these are little tips and tricks that I apply in my day-to-day life, and it really helps me in becoming a morning person. So now I'm gonna have my tea and get ready for a walk. You know I love to get my daily movement in the morning itself. It really puts me in a good headspace. So let's get going. There is something so peaceful about being outside this early. Nature really has a way of grounding you, making you feel more present and in tune with the day. The air is fresh, the sun is shining, it feels so good. But it is time to head back home now, so let's go. Alright, guys, it has been a while since I've been home. I took a shower, got ready, and had my greens. Did a dry hair touch up with my Dyson Airwrap, and I am loving it. Also, got dressed. Here's something I've noticed when I get dressed, even when I'm staying at home, it really helps me shift from lazy mode to let's get things done mode. I'm not talking about anything fancy, but a little something that makes me feel put together. I'm just wearing an old H&M crew neck and some black leggings and that's it. But putting on a little bit of jewelry, a little bit of makeup really motivates me for the day ahead. I know it sounds silly, but it's not about impressing anyone. It's really about feeling good in yourself. So now when I'm done with my most basic things, had my greens, got ready. It's now time to fuel my body with some breakfast and coffee. So let's head to the kitchen. And I think after having my breakfast, grabbing my coffee, I'll get down to work. All right, now after getting a few things checked off my to-do list, it's time for a quick break because I have a couple of packages that I need to unbox with you guys. This Tira package has been sitting on my couch since yesterday, but I did not want to open it without you guys. So if you're all caught up and you saw my last vlog, you know that I ran out of my KVD incliner. It was my go-to, guys. So I went on a hunt for something new. This is an eyeliner that I haven't tried before. So I thought, why not try this new Huda Beauty Quick and Easy Precision Eyeliner. I have heard a lot of good things about the formula and I really wanted to try it out. A lot of people say that it is super pigmented, lasts all day long. If that's the case, it will be a game changer for me. People also say that it's really good in creating those sharp lines. I mean, who doesn't like a sharp wing, right? If any of you guys have tried out this, do let me know in the comments. What do you think about it? Do you like it or not? And if you have any other recommendations, do let me know. I'm always experimenting with new makeup. I will try this out out the next time, and I will probably share a mini review in my next vlog. So stay tuned for that. I ordered this liner in a Republic Day sale from Tira, and they sent me a legit lashes sample as well. So here's what the sample looks like. Okay, so it has two samples, or I think this mascara has two sides. One is a volume one and the other is a curl and lengthen one. So I'll definitely try this out. I love brands who send minis or sample size products with a full size purchase, because this way I get to try something without spending my bucks on a full size product. So that's a plus. I love Tira for that. And next is a package from Meesho. I ordered a laptop stand, so this is the one. I will link all the products in my description box, whatever I am unboxing with you guys today. So I have a really bad neck and I desperately needed a new laptop stand. I gave my old laptop stand to AB because it was very bulky and I needed something which was compact and could be folded easily when I needed a cleaner space. So I got this foldable bracket thing for my laptop as a laptop stand. If I am able to install it today and show it to you guys, I will. Otherwise, I will include it in my next vlog. Now moving on to my third package, I ordered a stainless steel chopping board from Amazon. I have my wooden chopping boards, but sometimes the wood takes longer to dry off, or you want to be rough with your cutting chopping, and I am a little possessive about my wooden chopping board. So I ordered a stainless steel chopping board. Okay, I thought it would be small because I ordered a small size, but this is quite fine and this is how it looks. I will use it and let you guys know how it is. So that was my random unboxing for the day. I feel like I'm always doing these random unboxings with you guys in every vlog. I need to stop spending my money. But yeah, that's it. I will take a break for 10 to 15 minutes more and then let's see how the day goes. Guys, I did set up the laptop stand and this seems to be more ergonomic now. So let's hope this setup serves me good. And now let's get back to work. Hi guys, it's 5 p.m. and it's snack time. I feel like a broken record because I have been talking about these yogurts so much. These are the agape Greek yogurts and especially the peach flavor is so good. And when I take these out, you know what I'm gonna make. So I prepped my chia seeds for my chia seed yogurt pudding and I'm gonna make that with you. So let's go and make my favorite snack. Guys, you have to try this. I will link the vlog where I shared this recipe in detail. I could not do it today, but I will share it in the description box as well. So if you make it and you like it, do let me know. I can have it all day for breakfast, as a snack. Like, this has everything. The sweetness of granola and honey and the sourness of the berries. And the star of the show, the peach yogurt. Alright, guys, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me. If you loved this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I post new videos twice a week, and I will see you guys in the next one.
She
Bye.
keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no. But maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long.